Just quick update. I know you're getting these late, but to give you an idea about how things are going to be tomorrow, Sunday. Just stop by, talk to a couple of the Conestoga Fire Police, and at the light at the top of the hill on Ray Street. And I said, "Yeah, how's traffic been?" They said it hasn't been bad. It's actually been pretty good because another gate was open. But heading into the final day, weather's supposed to be nice, so you can expect heavier traffic, so heads up. That's all I'm saying. Give yourself a little extra time to get here. Please be patient. Just gonna let this thing roll for a couple minutes. Hopefully have a couple more birds take it. Hopefully you'll have a couple more birds taken off. And if not, at least you'll be able to get a little bit of a feel for what it's like. We're actually leaving Caddy right now. Get a little bit of better feel for the area.